Welcome back to MVP Garage. We are back with the review of Nissan Armada 2025. Let's start. The 2025 Nissan Armada introduces a comprehensive redesign, enhancing performance, comfort, and technology. Key features include performance. Engine. A new twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers 425 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, replacing the previous V8 for improved acceleration and fuel efficiency. Transmission. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, the Armada offers smoother gear shifts and enhanced driving dynamics. Towing capacity. Maintains a maximum towing capacity of up to 8,500 pounds, accommodating various hauling needs. Off-road capability. PRO4X trim. Introduces the first PRO4X grade for Armada, featuring all-terrain tires, increased approach angle, underbody skid plates, an electronic locking differential, and adaptive electronic air suspension, enhancing off-road performance. Interior comfort and space. Increased space. Offers more passenger and cargo space than the previous generation, with front row legroom increased by 4.2 inches and third row legroom by 5.7 inches. Cargo capacity behind the third row has increased by 24%. Luxury features. Available massaging front seats and 64-color ambient lighting enhance comfort and customization. Technology. Displays. Features standard dual 12.3-inch displays for the infotainment system and gauge cluster, with available dual 14.3-inch screens. Connectivity. Offers wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, with available Google built-in services for seamless integration. Audio system. An available class-exclusive 12-speaker Clips premium audio system provides an immersive listening experience. Safety and driver assistance. ProPilot Assist 2.1. Available hands-off assistance technology for freeway driving enhances convenience and safety. Safety Shield 360. Standard on all grades, this suite includes features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, and lane departure warning. The 2025 Nissan Armada combines robust performance with advanced technology and enhanced comfort, making it a versatile choice for both urban and off-road adventures. Welcome back to MVP Garage. We are back with the review of Nissan Armada 2025. Let's start. The 2025 Nissan Armada introduces a comprehensive redesign, enhancing performance, comfort, and technology.